Hello everyone, how are you today? Now I will explain about prepositional phrase. To short the time, let's get start lesson. Prepositional phrase adalah groups of words containing preposition. Remember that preposition are words that indicate the relationship between various elements within a sentence, and you will never have difficulty in identifying preposition phrase. Prepositional phrase is group of words that lacks either a verb or a subject, and then function as unit part of speech. It normally consists of a preposition and a noun, or a prepositional and or pronoun. A prepositional phrase is a combination of preposition and its object, called an object of preposition, which can be noun, phrase, pronoun, or gerund. The preposition used can consist of one word preposition, or a combination of other parts of speech, complex preposition. The part of speech used in forming complex preposition may be positioned before or between two prepositions. Prepositions have two kinds. There are preposition single and preposition complex. 1. Preposition single. Signs after, to, without, between, with, in, through, by, unlike, and for. Next, preposition complex. There are next to, in front of, as for, in case for, on behalf of, according to, because of, far from, along with, as well as, and due to.
Hello everyone, my name is Agustina Yuriska from Group 10 in Chemistry Education 2020. Okay, here I will explain about tips and function of prepositional phrase. Adjective prepositional phrase. The tips of prepositional phrase function as adjective that explain nouns or phrase. Therefore, they are called adjective prepositional phrase. Adverbial prepositional phrase. This type of prepositional phrase function as an adverb that explains the verb, adjective, or other adverb that is in a sentence. Therefore, this prepositional phrase is called adverbial. Prepositional phrase. In general, what is included in preposition is about, after, at, before, behind, by, during, for, from, in, of, over, past, to, under, up, and with. Prepositional phrase function, adjective or adverb. A prepositional phrase can function as an adjective that explains a noun or pronoun, called an adjectival prepositional phrase, or as an adverb that describes verb, adjective, or other adverb, called an adverbial prepositional phrase that is in a sentence. The adjectival prepositional phrase says which about the noun, while an adverbial prepositional phrase answers the question with, how, and then when, where, why. How, when, where, why relate to the word he described. Well, that's my short explanation of tips and function of prepositional phrase.
Okay, the next material will be delivered by Fera. Understanding prepositional passive. Passive voice is formed by making the direct object in the active voice the subject of sentence. Thus, these rules only apply to transitive verb or verb followed by direct object, and not to intransitive verb or verb that are not followed by direct object. Then is there a passive form of an intransitive verb. Intransitive verb can be passive if the sentence contains a prepositional phrase consisting of a preposition and an object of preposition. The object of the preposition is then pushed forward to become the subject of sentence in a passive voice. So, prepositional passive is a passive form where the subject of sentence in the sentence is an object of preposition taken from the prepositional phrases in the active sentence form. Prepositional passive formulas: active voice, subject plus verb intransitive plus preposition plus object of preposition. And prepositional passive: active voice, subject or object of preposition plus auxiliary verb plus past participle intransitive plus preposition.
My name is Luthfiah Trinanda. I'm from the group of 10. Now, I'm going to explain about examples of prepositional phrase. An example of prepositional phrase is an adjective prepositional phrase. Number 1. The boy with him is his son. With is the preposition and with him is the prepositional phrase. The prepositional phrase functions as an adjective phrase modifying boy. Number 2. The store at the corner sells sandwiches. At is the preposition and at the corner is the prepositional phrase. The prepositional phrase functions as an adjective phrase modifying store. Number 3. You can use the broom behind you to sweep the floor. Behind is the preposition and behind you too is the prepositional phrase. The prepositional phrase functions as an adjective phrase modifying broom. An example of prepositional phrase is an adverb prepositional phrase. Number 1. When you get to the sign, take a left. To is the preposition and to the sign is the prepositional phrase. The prepositional phrase is an adverb phrase modifying get. Number 2. We climb up the hill to see the view. Up is the preposition and up the hill is the prepositional phrase. The prepositional phrase functions as an adverb phrase modifying climb. Maybe that's all I can say. Good for you. Thank you.
My name is Musdalifah salsabila from Chemistry Education 2020. I want to tell about definition of preposition of time. Preposition of time are prepositions used to denote time. That time is displayed in a combination of the preposition with the object that follow it called the object of preposition. Prepositional phrase equal to prepositions plus object of prepositions. The object of the preposition of time is often a noun or noun phrase. The combination of a preposition and its object is called a prepositional phrase. Example sentence preposition of time and its meaning. The sentence in the picture above contain the prepositional phrase for a few months, with for as the preposition of time and the noun phrase a few months as the object of preposition. The example preposition of time. First, after. Example, after lunch, after school, after leaving school. Second, at example, at 9 in the morning, at 9 o'clock. Next, before. Example, before lunch, before yesterday, before the due date. Next, by. Example, by the end of this month. Next, during. Example, during the trip, during the storm. Next, for. Example, for a week or for 7 p.m. Next, from. Example, from morning to night, from October to December. I think that's all. Thank you very much.
Hello, my name is Rani Savitri. Here I will explain the matter about the of preposition of pledge. A preposition of pledge is used to indicate a pledge or position. The pledge or position is shown in a combination of a preposition with its object, which is called a prepositional phrase. Prepositional phrase equal preposition plus object of preposition. This preposition is used to indicate the position of the object of preposition against the subject or object of the sentence. The object of preposition can be in the form of a noun phrase, or pronoun. Preposition of pledge, and this meaning the sentence in the picture above contains the prepositional phrase on the table with on as the preposition of pledge and the noun phrase the table as the object of preposition. Example preposition of pledge: a bird ship on the ship, above my head, against the wall, along the river, alongside the fence, among the olive groves, among the crowd, around the neck, around the table, at at the home, at the hotel, at the station, away from home, behind the bookstore, beside Andy, below paragraphs, between Rian and Bobby, by the front door, in my pocket, in the fridge, in Indonesia, inside the box, in front of me, in the middle of the street, next to me, on the floor, on the table, on his arm, outside my house, over ice cream, table, eh, under the table, under the sea.
Hello, my name is Wulandari Savitri. I'm from Class B Indralaya. Now, I want to explain about preposition of manner. Preposition of manner is all about how a certain thing happen or is done, sometimes even referred to as preposition of method. Definition of preposition of manner is a preposition which show the relationship way between the object and the other word in a sentence. This include words like on, by, with, like, etc. A preposition is followed by an object of preposition, which can be a noun phrase, pronoun, or a gerund, verb plus ing. For example, 1. Preposition of manner by. He wraps the food by plastic. We go to the office by bus. 2. Preposition of manner in. He is happy in his family. They go in rain. 3. Preposition of manner like. We do it like professional. He despairs like he will die. 4. Preposition of manner on. I always cook on myself at home. I often work on food to go to school. 5. Preposition of manner with. I made breakfast with my mother this morning.